Happy Tuesday! Time for Tip of Tuesdays. So this week I want to talk to you a little bit about critical insurance for critical illnesses. So you're thinking, I have health insurance, why do I need another policy? So critical illness policies can come in very handy. They are supplements to your major medical or health insurance coverages. And what they can do is they can provide a cash benefit to you if something happens, like cancer, heart attack, stroke, kidney failure, all the really bad things that, one, cost a lot of money. Two, if one of those really bad things happens, you have a deductible to meet and an out-of-pocket maximum to meet. Three, you may not be able to work. So there are many different types, but what do these policies actually do? So if you were to get cancer, there are some policies that will give you a lump sum payment, $50,000, if you're diagnosed with an internal cancer. So what does that $50,000 do for you? Well, one, you've got money in your pocket that you can use to help offset your deductible and out-of-pocket max, because you will be receiving bills. Or they want you to pay for having treatments done. They're going to want your money up front, your deductible, or sometimes your out-of-pocket max up front before they start treatment. MD Anderson is notorious for this. And if you don't have the funds and you don't want to do a GoFundMe, that is certainly one way to help offset that cost, where you're not depleting your savings, you're not depleting your retirement, you're not getting loans to have treatment done. And then again, if you're not working, this money can help to actually offset your everyday costs. What's really nice about these supplemental catastrophic critical illness plans is they do not tell you how to spend the money. So what that means for you is that you can get that money, cash. If it's a lump sum payment, you know how much you have and what you've got to work with. If there are some policies that will give you a lump sum payment and then additional payment as you're having treatment done. You've got that money to cover groceries, maybe utility bills. If you're not working and you don't have enough vacation time, maybe your job doesn't have vacation time or sick time. Maybe you're alone, you don't have a spouse that's earning income. What about your kids? There's so many things that these funds can do for you, and it helps relieve that stress. When you have a big life event like this, you do not want to have to worry about the money piece as well. And that's what's really important, is it's stressful enough and you cannot heal properly if you're stressed out. You're just not going to. So keep that in mind. These plans can be relatively inexpensive. Obviously, the older you get, they can cost more. Some of them have pre-existing clauses. If you've had cancer within the last 10 years, we may not be able to give you that kind of policy, but I kind of go through all that with you and see what makes sense. And at least protecting the adults. Some plans, kids are covered free on many of the cancer plans I offer. So you're going to get family coverage because it costs the same. And God forbid that happens with a child, you've got some money coming in. So think about it. You can get on my calendar. We can enroll those plans at any time. Get on my calendar if you want to evaluate and get some quotes and see if maybe that's a good fit for you and your family. Until next week, peace out.